Hey guys, Dan Stubbs in Paducah Ford, your Bronco headquarters. I got an interesting one for you today. This Bronco right here, it's backed in because it doesn't run. And it is actually going back to Ford Motor Company. This is a buyback. If you've ever heard of a lemon law buyback, well, this is one, and it's on a Bronco. And I'm not telling you this because it's a bad thing. I'm telling you this because it's a good thing. This is what happens when you buy a brand new vehicle from Ford Motor Company. If it's not right, they'll take care of you. This particular Bronco, the customer made it about 14 miles, and I know that because that's how many are on the odometer. 14 miles, and it completely shut down. The instrument cluster went crazy. You know, everybody always says lights up like a Christmas tree. Well, it kind of did. There was lights everywhere. So obviously it has a major electrical issue. Our mechanics, our senior mechanics, a field service engineer from Ford, everybody was involved in this, and we can't figure out what's going on with it. So this is not a repaired vehicle. This is still, it's down, it's done. Well, what Ford did for the customer was they ordered her a brand new Bronco. She wanted one identical to this. Unfortunately, it did take 6 months for her to get it because you had to get in line to get produced. But she's now in her new Bronco. It's working great. She's thrilled. One of the nicest ladies I've ever dealt with in my life. And this goes to show you that nobody's perfect. Now, in this case, if you say, well, I'll never buy a Bronco, I mean, here's one that broke down. But if every single manufactured automobile that has ever been made has had at least one go completely kaput, there is no way around that. That is the law of averages. So, you know, in this case, it was very early in the ownership cycle. Like I said, it got 14 miles and it's completely just shut down. It's a wild one, but this kind of stuff happens. So it goes to show you that these vehicles aren't perfect. They are manufactured by man. They are very highly advanced, advanced processes. There's a lot of automation, but it's still assembled by humans, and nothing is perfect by humans. So, but Ford did the right thing. They immediately saw that this was not, we can't fix the car, we need to get her a new one. They put an order in the bank and got one built for her. So this is I hesitate to say this is like a happy ending, but it really is. It goes to show you that nothing is perfect, but if you buy a new car from a reputable manufacturer like Ford Motor Company, they're going to take care of you, and that's what they did in this case. So she's got her brand new car. This one's going back to Ford. Hopefully they're going to take it and dissect it like a frog and see what's going on with this thing, because something's not right. But in the end, this is going to be a learning situation. You know, you get the engineers on that, maybe they find some sort of manufacturing flaw that they can correct. So all these things are positive things. Once again, nobody's perfect, but you know, just thought I'd share with everyone exactly, you know, you might be still waiting on a Bronco, but at least Bronco made it longer than 14 miles. All right, so if you like this content, make sure you hit that like button, hit the bell for the reminders. We post all kinds of stuff, anything and everything to do with the Ford universe, especially tons of Bronco content, tons of Ford Lightning content, recalls, you know, status updates on automobiles, anything to do with Ford, we've got you. And we try to make it light, we try to make it fun, we try to make it entertaining, but there's a lot of factual information too. And once again, we're not hiding anything. This is a car that made it 14 miles. It broke down. I'm sharing it with you to let you know that we tell you exactly what's going on in the automotive space.